Hi guys, this is Jerry here. The other day we took out our sailboat in Sonora, and we also took a bunch of camera equipment and a drone. My friend Igor brought his drone, and he keeps saying he's not so good at flying it yet, but on this clip and the next few clips, he does a really good job, like smoothly panning and keeping up with the boat. You can see the lighter shaded water here. That's us going past the Thomas Point Shoal. So we're just south of Annapolis here. And these images just look so beautiful to me. We're at a great sail. Good winds, anywhere from 12 to 18 knots. We have a weird sail balance plan right now. 2 reefs tucked in, maybe 80% of the Genoa. And we're still flying. We're doing usually about 5 knots. At some point we saw 6.5 knots upwind. That's not just like one burst. We held that speed for a while. And with this kind of sail plan, so my mainsail is almost brand new, and my head Genoa is not. So the mainsail, the boat's already designed to have an overpowering main. I think they did that so the boat could point upwind. So this configuration, it's easy on the autopilot. It's easy on the passengers. It's easy on us, the crew. And believe it or not, it's just moving right along. We have a lot less sail out than the other boats, and we are keeping up pretty decently with everybody. So over here, I think we're going upwind, so the wind's coming towards the camera here, and we're realizing that the drone stopped keeping up with us. The drone's getting smaller and smaller, and my friend Igor is going like, well, I could see the boat from the feed, but we could barely see the drone. So we decided to stop the boat and see if we could get the drone to catch up. So over here, we're doing a heave-to maneuver. So as you can see, we almost stopped dead in the water, and we still have full control of the boat here, which is what's so great about this maneuver. And then when we realized the drone isn't moving at all, we decided to come out and then head back downwind towards the drone. So the wind is coming from roughly from the boat. It's actually a little bit left where the end of the bridges that you see over there are coming diagonally towards the drone, which is why we think the drone can't make way back towards the boat. I'm actually really impressed how steady these images are. Part of it is image stabilization. The other part's the gyro that the camera is mounted on. But the other part is, the drone's compensating for little gusts of wind and all that. And before anyone says anything, we did try lowering the altitude of the drone because you do get higher winds above the surface, and it didn't work. The drone's not going anywhere, so we're sailing back. You notice our sails are poorly trimmed. That's because we're just using that to slow down the boat and not go too fast. I didn't want to blast by the drone or hit it or anything like that. So we're now coming downwind. Falling off even more, just so. Actually, I can't remember exactly where the wind is coming from, but we're basically putting the drone on the other side of the boat, on the starboard side. And we're trying to be downwind, or at least on the same wind as the drone, so it doesn't have to fight its way up. See, now you can see the drone's moving across the wind pretty well. Get a more detailed shot of my boat here. We tried to land it on the bimini, but it didn't work, so I'm gonna snatch it out of the air. Man, grabbing a drone is harder than I thought. Look at the look of relief on Igor's face. But that was really cool. It was a really good day for sailing, but shooting the footage was really cool too. I didn't realize how hard it was to point the camera and fly the drone until I started editing this footage. And I think Igor did a great job. I can't wait to start editing the other footages and pictures he took too. That's gonna be really cool. see you guys next time.